This is a 2-meter long, 1-meter wide standard electric four-wheel platform truck. The chassis height is 40 centimeters above the ground, equipped with 300-8 pneumatic tires, a kilowatt motor, and a 48-volt 20-amp battery. Take a look at the truck. It has dual front brakes, a parking brake, a climbing gear, and a low-speed power boost gear. Turn the key. Here is the battery indicator. Turn again for the headlight. And the horn. The truck has forward and reverse functions in high, medium, and low-speed models. The seat can swivel. Loosen the screw here. And the seat rotates around, allowing reverse riding. This is its reverse riding direction. The reverse direction can increase the cargo platform area. We are a direct from factory supplier, and we support customization. If you need moving transport equipment, welcome to contact me.